everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have Liz again on my channel. I'm going to be doing her makeup today. I'm going to be doing something that she has never had on her face, a brand new look for her. If you want to see this eye look and makeup look that I created, then I will link the previous video down below. So I already started priming her. I sprayed the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. So now I'm going to go into this Cover FX Illuminating Primer. It's a little sample size. You know I love my samples. And I'm going to be putting it all over her face because she has more of a dry face. So illuminating primers would be best for her. Is there any left in this?
Almost out.
Almost out. This makes me feel so nervous rubbing this on your skin.
Why?
I don't know. Like, it really freaks me out.
Do you want me to do it?
That's okay.
I can do it.
I don't know why it's freaking me out.
I can do it. Oh
That's
my gosh.
It's okay. I don't think I've ever rubbed primer on someone's skin before. So it's just very illuminating. I'm not going to talk anymore.
Why not?
So
Bless you. Thank you.
Bless you. Okay, so foundation is going to be a little bit of a struggle because, like, this is the color I'm going to use. That's too dark for you. Because I have a light one, but it's matte.
We'll just do it. It's fine.
Okay, so I'm going to use this. What is this? I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation Matte and Poreless in the shade 05 Fair Ivory. I've used this in forever. Now I'm going to use her makeup sponge. So I'm going to put a little bit.
I hate liquid foundation so much.
Why? Oh, dang. Why? Oh, dang.
Change my mind. I hate it.
Why?
Because it feels like I'm wearing foundation. That's like, oh, I'm going to hate. Oh my gosh, I hate it.
I put a lot on too, so.
Okay, 200 interesting sister tag questions.
Love that.
Because you guys all want to know more about us, I'm sure. Oh, I hate this.
Girl, how long are you going to be doing this?
How old are you? I'm 20.
I'm 22.
Who is the oldest and youngest?
Oldest.
I'm middle child.
And we're born 3 days apart.
It just, the next question was, when were you born? May 28th, May 25th?
Yes.
We're 90s kids.
Yes.
We're 90s kids. Yes.
I know, so I want to use it on you.
Ah! I hate that feeling.
Stop moving!
I hate that feeling. So
Why didn't I get your tip of your nose?
where were you born? Butler, PA.
I was born in St. Charles, Missouri.
Who is the most immature between you?
Oh, I used a tart-shaped tape, by the way. Fair neutral.
Who's the most stubborn? Emily?
Me. 100.
What's your nickname? Oh my god, these questions. Liz.
Mine's
Nang. We call each other Nang.
Yang. Yeah.
What's your favorite food?
French fries.
Pickles.
Look up.
What 3 things do we have in common?
We both.
Are obsessed with our dog.
Yeah.
Is that like a thing?
We like going out to eat.
Oh, don't. Yeah, I guess.
We both like to lay.
Oh, we both love YouTube. Like watching videos. Like that's like my pastime.
Same. And we both love our family, obviously. I'm wearing the Kat Von D Shade Light palette.
I don't like these questions.
And bronze her skin.
Which place do you both like to visit? Missouri.
Missouri.
Shout out to Kate if you're watching this.
She's watching.
Love you.
Love you.
It just asked again, what's your favorite food?
French fries.
You already answered that.
Just in case people thought it changed.
It hasn't changed. Who has the best sense of style? Emily.
I think so.
What is the funniest memory that involves your sibling? Nothing, we don't really talk.
It says, are you closer now or when you were younger? Now.
No.
Have you ever stolen anything from it? Have you ever stolen anything from each other? If so, what was it? Clothes?
Clothes. Shoes.
Clothes.
Yeah.
Do you get along with your siblings' friends? Yes.
Yeah. Love them.
What is one thing your sibling can do that you can't do?
makeup.
Okay. So now you can somewhat
New
see
angle.
what she's doing. Okay. Is that
So
good? Am I like close enough?
I'm still applying eyeshadow primer. Do you have any eyeshadow primer eyeshadow palette you want me to use?
Nope.
So do you want me, like, what?
Who is more concerned with their appearance? Emily. I go out looking like a man.
Okay, so now we're gonna go into eyeshadow. I'm going into the Jaclyn Hill palette. I talk about this all the time. My favorite palette ever.
Let me see it. That's so pretty.
I know. And, like, I use all the colors. I don't usually use the colorful ones, but so I'm gonna go into a transition shade.
I'm nervous.
I'm so excited for this part. I just kind of. She has smaller eyelids than I do, so that's why I'm excited for it. So I'm just dragging this into the crease.
Yeah, you have to do it like that.
I'm using this.
It's already more eyeshadow than I would ever wear.
She has like a really deep bone right here, so I'm just concentrate right in there, and then.
Didn't know that.
Surprise! We're going into this brush, and I'm going to be going into these two shades. I'm going to mix them and do it a little bit lower than the crease. Elspeth, you can't move away!
Elspeth, you can't move away!
I'm not going to get your eye. I'm not going to get your eye.
I'm so scared. Okay. Look.
Go back into the crease shade and just blend out the edges. No opinion? Okay.
I mean, it looks fine. It's just brown. Who is the diva?
You.
Emily.
I'm
Who's the most money conscious? Emily.
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm gonna be going into this shade right here, this brown, and I'm doing a cut crease on her today, basically. I'm just concentrating right in the crease. That's okay.
Which sibling is most likely to move far away from home? Not me.
Me. Not far away. I mean, I'll move away. I want to move away for like a couple years, but I'll always come back.
Yeah, we always say we're gonna live by each other, all of us, because
We're not by our family, so
and it's rough.
stinks. So we want to make sure we do that.
I'm looking at you. Okay.
Oh my god, this looks so pretty.
If someone put a gun to your sibling's head and asked them to sing a song without missing a word, what song
Baby Justin
would
Bieber.
your sibling sing for you?
Yeah, Baby Justin Bieber. I would sing that.
That's a good question. I don't know.
Ba-da. Oh, whoa. Hello.
I'm trying to think of a song that
Look up.
I know. Bedrock by Lil Wayne.
Lily, a gun to my head. She sings Bedrock. Please.
Emily!
Amelia!
Time to cut the crease.
What is the best gift you've ever given? This Christmas, stay tuned. I'm giving her a good one.
I don't know. I don't really give good gifts. So I'm going to cut your crease.
Oh, that is an awful feeling. That is such an awful feeling.
Are you kidding?
Are you kidding?
This is the most important part, Elle. Don't look!
Is this what it's supposed to look like?
Yes, hold on. I'm going to go into this Wet n Wild palette.
I'm alive and a dollar sign.
And I'm going to go into this white shade and just set her crease. The concealer is put on.
I'm over this. I'm sorry, these questions are... Describe the last thing you did with your sister.
This.
Like,
Hey.
what are you putting on?
I'm putting on a shimmer. Ew, you're breathing on my hand. Come here. I did these two shimmers. I put this all over her lid, and I'm doing this in the inner corners. Not the inner corners, the inner part of her eyelid. Try to brighten it up a little bit. I'm going to go back into that brown and just put it right where the crease was. Look up, please. Okay, and then the last step is, I'm actually going to, close your eyes, I'm going to use my finger. Oh god.
My face looks good.
Go back into the Morphe brush and just blend out the crease.
I'm gonna put a little bit.
This second lighter shade right in the middle of her eye.
I need to sneeze again.
Okay, wait. Okay.
I have to sneeze one more time.
Are you joking?
Yeah, I'm just making up these sneezes. Why can't I wear fake eyelashes?
Because the ones I have aren't working. You don't like fake eyelashes.
Yeah, I feel like I'm wearing a hat. Comment down below if whenever you wear fake eyelashes, it feels like you're wearing a hat. That's what I feel like.
Oh.
Why didn't you use this on me?
Do you want me to? I still can.
Can I open my eyes?
So I'm gonna put a little bit of this Stila on the bottom lash line in the corner. Look up. It's my favorite. She's using the Essence, the pink mascara that I always talk about.
Show it.
24 hour something volume.
Oh gosh, you can see me doing this. See how many, I'm exposed how many coats I actually do.
So show them your mascara. Okay, I'm not the best at brows, everyone.
They're dark.
Next, I'm going to be going into highlighter, the Flower Beauty Strobe, and something. Ew! Ew! Ow! Just licked my hand! I'm going to be going into the Too Faced Peach Kiss Moisture Matte Longwear Lipstick in the shade Sure Thing.
Does it smell like peaches?
Mm-hmm.
Let me smell.
It smells so good.
Oh my gosh, that smells like chocolate peaches.
That's TJ Maxx.
I'm sorry. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, I'll squish them together. Look how pretty that looks with it in the middle. Yeah.
Here's
So our cousin's getting a dog today. I think she just snapped me.
Penny Lane.
Okay.
Oh my god,
It is!
story.
Okay.
It's on her story. Okay. Live reaction right here, Kate.
Baby.
Wait, let me see. She's
Oh.
so cute.
Little girl. Oh my goodness, wait. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. I really want to meet her. She's a little headband in. Let's see. Oh, hair clip. Another story. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is a finished look. How do you feel? Be honest.
I like it. Eyebrows and lips are too big, but everything else I like. I think it's pretty. My skin looks really good.
Okay.
Do you like it?
I love it.
What would you give it a rating out of?
Of course, a 10 because I did it.
Me in the
Come
flesh.
here. Zoom in.
It's pretty.
Okay.
10 out of 10.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already.
Subscribe.
And like this video for
More content.
I'll say for Liz. A lot of new stuff coming soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Can we do it?
Bye.